Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how I start seeds, and generally the first thing to do is just loosen up the soil, then rake out the clods. And here's the seeds I'm putting in this flower bed. I'm going to show you like 5 flower beds I've planted with different seeds. These here, just broadcast them out as per the directions on the package. And then just gently rake the surface of the soil, very gently. Don't put any weight on the soil. Just gently drag the rake across the surface of the soil. In this bed here, I loosened up the soil and then I raked it out. Now I'm just making V furrows with my hoe and putting in separate packages of garden seed. And okay, now just tamp down the furrows like that. So if you put the seed in furrows, I'd tamp it down this way. And if you broadcast it, I rake it out. And these seeds here I'm going to broadcast in this third bed. The deeper the bigger the seed, the deeper you want to plant it. So seeds like this should be just barely covered. Here's some seeds I'm putting in a flower bed out front. And so I've got a space in the flower bed. I dug it up, loosened the soil in that space, and then raked it out smooth. And I'm just broadcasting these seeds in here from this large package. And then gently rake it smooth like all the others. And here out back, I'm planting a row of zinnias. So I just loosened up the soil for this whole row and then raked it out smooth. And now I'm making a V furrow in there. And there's the seeds. Now I'm just going to sprinkle them in there. And I'm just going to put the whole package in there. And now just gently tamp it down. And here's the first flower bed. And I keep them watered every day, keep the soil moist. This is the second one that we did. And it's very important to keep the soil moist until all your seeds germinate. So here's those foxglove seeds out front. You can see they're all germinating very nicely. It should make a nice patch of foxgloves there. And here's that whole row of zinnias that we planted. And I think the most important thing to remember is to keep the soil moist until they germinate. So I just keep like a watering can handy and just pour on some water every time I walk by. So there's water every day. Or you can use the hose. Just sprinkle it with the hose to keep the soil moist every day. Or right here, I'm just using a sprinkler. So just keep the soil moist every day. And if you like that video at all on how I plant seeds, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And you can leave whatever comments you want in the comments. And I'll talk to you later on. So thanks a lot, and goodbye.